Let's try to solve certain problems based on trigonometrical identities. First problem which we are going to solve is cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. When we are asked to simplify such type of problems, or when we are asked to prove a certain expression equal to another expression, it is a best practice of converting everything to simple trigonometrical functions. Simple trigonometrical functions in the sense cos and sine, so that it will be easy for us to apply the identities and find out the solution. And solving a certain type of trigonometrical expressions, it is done in many ways. If we are very well known with the trigonometrical identities, we can solve it in any way. So it's up to the student mentality that how they are able to understand the trigonometrical identity and they are solving. So solving trigonometrical identities, please don't stick on to a single method. Try to find out various methods, solve yourself and find out the solution. So let me do it in my way. First work, we are going to convert every trigonometric function possibly to cos and sine. So here we are having cos A, so let it be as it is, by 1 minus tan A. So tan A we can write it as sin A by cos A. So let's do the same. 1 minus sin A by cos A plus sin A, have it as it is, by 1 minus cot A, will write it as cos A by sin A. That's it. Now the work becomes very simple. So cos A by 1 minus sin A by cos A. We are going to opt the cross multiplication method and we are going to simplify 1 minus sin A by cos A. So cos A will be multiplied with the opposite numerator. So this will be cos A minus sin A whole divided by cos A. So this becomes the entire denominator plus sin A, have it as it is, by 1 minus cos A by sin A. Sin A will be multiplied with the opposite numerator. So this will be sin A minus cos A by sin A. So this becomes the entire denominator. Now this is like cos A divided by cos A minus sin A by cos A. So what happens here is the denominator cos A will be taken up to the numerator, that like this. It is like cos A divided by cos A minus sin A by cos A. So we are having a division instead of this by, we have written it with symbol here, that's it. So this can be simplified as cos A into, that is, this fraction will be reciprocated, that is cos A by cos A minus sin A. So now what happens? Cos A into cos A, cos square A. That is what we are going to do here. So this becomes cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus same procedure, sin A will be multiplied with the numerator. This becomes sin square A by sin A minus cos A. We have arrived with a step like this. Can you see cos A is positive here, cos A is negative here. Sin A is negative here and sin A is positive here. So what can be done is, from this denominator, we can remove the negative sign outside. If we remove the negative sign outside, what happens is, the positive term turns negative and the negative term turns positive. That is, minus cos A becomes plus cos A, plus sin A becomes minus sin A. So this becomes like this. Cos square A by cos A minus sin A. From this denominator, we are going to remove the negative sign outside. So plus into minus, minus. sine square A by, now plus sine A becomes minus sine A. So let's write it in the last. Minus cos A becomes plus cos A. So let's write it in the first. Can you see the changes here? Sin A has become minus sin A. Cos A has become, that is minus cos A has become plus cos A. Because we have removed the negative sign from the denominator of this fraction. That's it. You can look at the changes here. Now the denominators are same. So what can we do? We can club the denominators together. So this becomes cos square A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A. Okay, now what's going to happen? This is like A square minus B square. If we have like that, what can be done, children? We can write it as A plus B into A minus B, right? Same work we are going to do here. Let's write cos square A minus sin square A as cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. This is by using the algebraic identity. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to solve. That's why. Okay, now what's going to happen? Two terms, same two terms, cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A gets cancelled. So what's pending? We are having cos A plus sin A. That's it. This becomes the simplified solution. Right? Thank you.